Good morning, afternoon, or evening, or whatever time it is for you guys today, and welcome back to today's video. So this week is going to be a little different in adolescent development, as this is the week that we have our first exam. Now, before I get into the exam, we do have another assignment that is due this week. And the assignment that is due on Thursday is your larger developmental playlist. Now, up to this point, the developmental playlist check-ins have just been making sure that you have been working on this larger project throughout the course of the semester, rather than just submitting it at the very end. So, we have covered 4 chapters in this class for this exam. So what that means is that you should have 20 songs that you have selected. These should be individual songs and unique songs. So you should not have overlap between the different developmental check-ins. So with that said, the larger assignment will have a separate video devoted to it. So I'm going to go over the rubric. I will again go over an example of what I'm looking for when you turn in your developmental playlist. Keep in mind that it cannot be a Word document. I am looking for it to be a PowerPoint. If you have access to a PowerPoint, you can do a Prezi. The example that I'm going to present to you is a Prezi, but again, you could do PowerPoint, but it has to be a presentation of some sort. It cannot just be a Word document. So I will have that in a separate video. That will be due on Thursday by 11:59 p.m. On the other hand, on Sunday, we will have our first exam covering the first 4 chapters in your textbook. So with that said, the other thing I want to clarify is that I can pull questions from our developmental playlist. I can also pull some questions from our Yellow Dig discussions where we go deeper into those concepts that we talked about throughout each given week. And then any of the videos that I do upload for you guys, there can be some questions based off those videos as well. So with that said, I will be providing you a study guide along with a extra credit assignment. This extra credit assignment will be due on Thursday. So 11:59 p.m. on Thursday. The extra credit assignment will provide you some examples of some of the questions that may or may not appear on the exam. Generally, some of them may appear on the exam, but most of them won't be. But the whole point of this isn't so much that you know what questions are coming, but rather the structure of the questions. So one of the things I do want to mention is that I do generally test more than just the remember and understand stage. So knowing a definition is very important in my class. You need to know the definition. But most of the questions are not going to be figure out what the definition is. It's more going to be along the lines of understand where this developmental milestone is going to be in adolescent development. Understand the differences in gender between male and female according to certain concepts. It might be selecting a different concept based upon a various scenario. So I would generally test you at either the understand or apply stage in this class. So keep that in mind as you move forward. It's not going to just be definitions. You do need to know definitions, but you won't be asked many questions, if any questions, about what is just a straight definitional question. So with that said, that will be due on Sunday. I have gotten a couple of questions. The exam will be open from Friday to Sunday. So you have any time within that period to be able to take the exam. The exam is going to be 50 multiple choice questions. There will be no short answer questions on that. It's just 50 multiple choice questions. Each multiple choice question is going to be about 2 points. I've also gotten questions about like what is the general breakdown. It's about 25% chapter 1, 25 chapter 2, 25 chapter 3, and 25 chapter 4. So it is spread out across the entirety of the chapters that we've covered so far. So if you have any questions about this week, please let me know. If not, I'll see you guys later. Bye.